So as you can see, I pretty much just I purchased a graph paper book at the 99-cent store. I just wanted something to draw in, and I found got a liking to graph paper. So I thought, why not, you know, make a drawing book out of graphing paper. So I tried to make like the first page just, I guess, an introduction page. So I have Chrissy spelled with as CHRYSSII, just because it's different. It says 2019 over here, and I tried to do something that, I don't know, I guess it's a little generic, but at the same time it's things I like. You know, these flowers I really like drawing. Try to do a couple sunflowers. I didn't mean to make them so static where they're just kind of next to each other, but it happened. I did it in color pencil. Just, I don't know, I like that feel when I watch people draw online, so that's what I ended up doing. And then I got a little like blue jay up here from a design I did a long time ago. I never posted it, but I really like the blue jay. Got a little snail right here. I tried to put a couple leaves in the tree. Somehow came up with this like little flower thing. A little bumblebee. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna outline it with a pencil. I was thinking maybe I should do it with a, you know, like little ink pen. But I always have the habit of trying to go over it again, and then certain lines get thicker and it looks weird, so I said forget it. So I'm just going to use a mechanical pencil and I'm going to outline it.
Oh shit, you live in the canyon, how big is your mansion? Fresh out of school, now you working and focus on fashion. Pretty girl and you let go. Got time but you got goals. Hey baby, waste your time with me in California. Hey baby, waste your time with me in California. La 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 la, yeah, I met her at a 1-0. La 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 la, now we at the same house party. La 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 la, if you wanna waste time, baby, waste your time with me in California. Hey baby, waste your time with me in California. Oh shit, you born in the Hamptons, I heard that's expensive. Damn, and you famous on Insta, your pics is a blessing. I think you could be a centerfold, no need for the money though. Hey baby, waste your time with me in California. Hey baby, waste your time with me in California. La 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 la, yeah, I met her at a 1-0. La 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 la, now we at the same house party. La 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 la, if you wanna waste time, baby, waste your time with me in California. Hey baby, waste your time with me in California.
I'm a California, N-I-G-G-A. Fuck with me, girl, I look like bae. My grass is greener, girl, what I know snakes. The mother niggas full of games, girl, it's not no prank. Just broke it with your man, it's the right time. We throwing money at a stripper, it's the right vibe. I come alive at nighttime. She said all she really wanna do is fuck. I said likewise, I like it on top like cilantro. You like it in your mouth like Blanco. I run the city, come fuck with a Pablo. I want you, not the code to your iPhone. Straight player. Your friend said don't fuck with me, straight hater. Wasting time in Cali, I ain't really wasting time, cause you